Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I've got another little freebie for you of another 14 free sounds for your Discord soundboard. These ones are kind of general purpose. They're like the cell phone ding-dong sound, ew, the fitnessgram pacer test, which is this third one. We've got the I am the Milkman. I'm actually not really sure where that one was from. I just found that one, and I was like, this sounds silly, I'll share it with everybody. We got the Let's Go, Metal Gear Solid sound, Minecraft door sound, the piano riff, Pokemon battle music, Poyo, which is literally just saying Poyo, She's Got Brain Damage, Whack His Pee-Pee, Wrong Answer Buzzer, and You Got Mail. So if you want to hear these as sort of a sample. Wow, this is a really... Do you see this weird pattern here? I don't know what that's from. That's kind of neat to look at, though. So that's the cell phone ding-dong. The ew sound, fitnessgram pacer test.
The fitnessgram pacer test is a multi-phase aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues.
It actually kind of sounds a little sped up, but that's the fitnessgram pacer test. I am the Milkman is next.
I'm the Milkman. My milk is delicious.
I think that's from something. That sounds vaguely familiar. Then we got Let's Go.
Let's go!
Oh, that's actually like the song, so that'd be a good addition. We got Metal Gear Solid. Minecraft door sound. Piano riff. Actually, this one feels like it's a bit longer than it should be. Let's go ahead and clean that up. This one should be under 5 seconds long, so that's fixed now. Here's the piano riff. Pokemon battle music. Poyo. She's brain damaged.
Oh no, she's brain damaged.
Whack His Pee-Pee.
Bailiff, whack his pee-pee.
Wrong Answer Buzzer. And You've Got Mail.
You've got mail.
So that'll be included in this pack. Some of these are a little longer than they should be. Let's just trim these. I try to make sure all of these are instantly uploadable for everybody, so you don't have to mess around with it. So we'll just make sure that those are uploadable, and that should be good to go. And if you're curious how to use these on your server, you just open up a server that has available soundboard slots. Go to server settings, go to soundboard, and then from here, which one of these do I not really need? I don't really need the record scratch, so we'll delete that one. Then we'll upload a sound. So once you click on upload a sound, it should let you pick from one of the files in this folder. We could pick, I don't know, what's a good one? Let's do the You Got Mail. Click open. And if this was too long, you could adjust the length here with these little pull bars from either end, the beginning or the front, to kind of trim the audio a little bit so it doesn't take up so much space. And then you can give it a name. You've Got Mail. And then we can give it an icon of mail. And then upload it. And then bing, bang, boom, you have a new sound that you can then hop into an audio channel. And then open the soundboard and then type in mail. You've got mail. And then bing, bang, boom. You've got a sound that you can use for whatever you want. So I hope you enjoy these packs. The download link, like all of the other ones, is in the video description. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you enjoy these sound packs. And I will have more for you next week. We're going to do these giveaways as sort of a regular thing for the next several Fridays. So bye, everybody. Have a good one.